Waziri woborendi bwa Ensa Kipchumba Murkomen ritkoria rero ni gaikirana Amayia county ya Kisii erikorigereria obokoreri bwoborendi gwetera umoroberie umanyekanete buna jukwaa la usalama.
Forum for public engagement on security issues, an opportunity for us to listen to our chiefs, assistant chiefs, OCSs, and members of public on issues, service delivery and security in various parts of the country. Ordinarily, this would be stationed now in Arambe House for the headquarters of the ministry, but we thought that it was better to at least once in a year to have an opportunity to work from a county. So today we are working from Kisii County, answering questions and resolving problems that are related to this county. And that is what we have been doing throughout. People keep asking themselves, what is it all about Jukwaa? It's just us continuing our ordinary job that we would ordinarily be having people queuing in my office in Nairobi wanting to see me to discuss issues that are affecting their community and their constituencies, their counties. And instead of 2-3 members of parliament or MCA or chief or county commissioner or a DCC coming to visit me in my office, we have decided that at least once in a year we visit them in the county and listen to their issues directly. So it's an open forum. Questions will be asked. People want to ask directions on how to handle certain things. I have also questions to ask them concerning security issues in the county and the manner in which we've been delivering services.
Amatanga aroberi gokorekana ekenyoro kyabo gitonjo ensemo yebunge yabo basi Amayia county ya Kisii nigatenenigwa nemeroberi ende yonsi nigetari kuchikogenderera eyemaega y'omusacha okabeire omwancho yenya gusira kumubisa omwana obo.
Arento mwana atinde kengina
etorega igetora amatanga y'omwana itokoruku Naomi abeire gagusira n'omwana oyo monene nigakare na ise nestyle yari na ise nande n'omwana enyaroka kuringana nerichiko etomaete ng'omwana ekera iboiru ng'ina nero okobera n'omwana bakaika emiaka 18 elinda mwana amanya gotwara obosibore bwoko decide ng'a yabwanete koba.
Naomi nanyomire koru magega bakanyora n'omusacha oyo omwana oyo omo yoro moiseke lakini ngenje momanyete jare jezinjiro chenyomo bagacha bagatigana kiro omonto akagenda kifiat
omwana ominto nande koyo ninche nkomoru nyuma bone nkumetingana ki Naomi agotindeku mwana oyo tayo omusacha oyo omoirete omwana onyongete Naomi akaire omwana tari korenta omwana atindeke ng'ina nkayi baroche omwana ona ng'ina agotindeku mwana tayo
agesa mabera ari eng'ondi okoigwa omwana oyo achiche gaki ebi nebikono gatokorera omwana oyo achiche gaki esa mabera aho omwana oyo ache mune konyarekana arorese ng'ina akobeku gaki rikarenge koiro omwana na ng'ina atindeke tigatoiraneri omwana ori gocha egera omwana atindeke ng'ina aroresi ng'ina agotindeku arore embera ya ng'ina gaki kamoranche ase omomura orio ore tokonya omwana oyo gocha toa omwana oyo arora ase ng'ina akorete ki asara ase agotindekwa.
Okorwa ase county ya Kisii nigo togocha goika ase county ya Nairobi ase abasae korwa orogongo rwa Gusii abo bagokora egasi ase sector ao Amayia Ensa ekiombe kiabo kia Gusii Young Professionals nigo bakore geikaro ase omobagani oyo Amayia omochio Nairobi ase bakwanera amang'ana ao abasae bekegorie keiga bagwetera bakoragwa n'omonyakerogo bo Duke Mainge omanyikante buna echate nigo batebire chingaki chaikire abasae babwenerete gotiga kwemurungania na baimokerere igoro erikugayana emechando ebwateraneti Ensa.
Onombia mono abana ba minto twachaga ko bamanyanga litukoria rero Gusii Young Professionals ntwatware breakfast meeting twacha kumanyana iga na gusegetana gekoera abangi baba na ba minto bakurukurwa emirimo ao abandi barabaremi abandi baraba abantu batene tamangana ye chisemi abandi batene tamangana ya IT nebintu bunebyo igekerenga gitekenene nkeringe twiwana nanga bono ntori guchikonya kuya nebinera buna abantu konya batunarite bono go tutagete guchiko babazani kero mwana omina azukire bosio gendo geritu atebete ngai tokumusuguma bakagende bosio pi. That's what we are going to do in eserugerie kenyamurero ekotebanga. We are going to complement each other. We are not going to compete with each other. So gusia itese mwabeta mwensipi wana ba minto young professionals. We are coming on the ground. Totegererenga mboko unki abaringoria babarweire babuate. Mboko unki abarimu babuate. Mboko unki abaremi babuate. Very young people, because we must safeguard our future as young people. Abagaka ba minto ntobasigete. Egento turanga ni guchibosyoga no bosemi. Ekero bakubange mikutano for instance elito guchichamo bune community. Bono tuamwire buna omusao mwanyagitinge ndori guchigochoro buna abantu bali bakubasira use bakubasuguma. Etogocho buna stakeholders. Togo ikaranza at the central point egere na into eriogirie itorikore kirigwekane. Igo esama tukuma kigo kurbono iga nko baeresa tole roadmap activities tirito cha gukora imeagusi na Nyamira tokorusi na Nyamira tumaikoro to expand to the rest.
Ekiombe getenenerete obumanyi bw'abakora emirimo gose HR kiabatokire amachibu ya matemwa 2025 CHRP nabo igo CBET ase batebire amachibu ayu ni gara ya bene kigima ekogera buna bono igana ria barokigwa abange kigima baikaransete asa matemwa ayu kuri omwaka o 2017.
Gives me a great joy and a true sense of honor to release today's examinations results, that is CHRP, Certified Human Resource Professional results, and then the CBET diploma and certificate results. Today is not just about releasing results, but it is about celebrating the hard work of our candidates, the commitment of our team, and the continued growth of HR professionalism in Kenya. Today we are releasing the results of the most candidates ever since we started this organization in 2017, and therefore we have over 1,500 candidates who have sat the CHRP exams, and then we have 308 who sat for the CBET exams. They are distributed all over the country. We have centers in Mombasa, in Kisumu, in Eldoret, in Nanyuki, in Nyeri, in Sigalagala. They were distributed all over the country. We have taken bold steps as HRMPEB to promote inclusivity. We have had two candidates who were, one is visually challenged, and the other one sitting next to me here, Faith. We are very proud of her, who is able
Ensemo ya bakaburwa ensemo ya kasipul tabire ekiama gya ODM utatwara uwancherere konde byonsi chinga kiba guchikokora gose chinga kikyame kyoge guchikokora obochori ase chinsemecho.
Those who are outside Kasipul to force the Kasipul people with somebody of their choice. Please leave Kasipul alone.